question, different elements from the second period of periodic table are given. They are lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. We have to arrange them in decreasing order of their atomic radii. Atomic radii of an element is depending on several factors. They are nuclear charge and shielding effect. When nuclear charge is increasing, the force of attraction between the nucleus and valence shell will increases, the size of the atom will decreases. At the same time, when shielding effect is increasing, the force of attraction between the nucleus and valence electrons will decreases and atomic radii will increases. We know that down the group, the atomic radii is increasing because of the increase in number of shells and shielding effect. At the same time, when we move from left to right in the periodic table, due to the increase in nuclear charge, the atomic size is decreasing. Now let's come to the elements given here: lithium, beryllium, boron and carbon. The atomic numbers of these elements are 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. Now we can see the nuclear charge is increasing gradually from lithium to carbon. So we can say that the atomic size will decreases from lithium to carbon. So the correct order is lithium is lesser in size than beryllium, which will be again smaller than boron, and the highest atomic radii will be for carbon. Now from these options, the correct answer is option C.